Come test drive the 2018 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, rear performance tires. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.